Hi viewers, in today's world, our hard-earned money may not be enough to fulfill our financial goals. So instead of letting your hard-earned money lie idle in your bank accounts, you should consider investing it so that it will generate wealth over a period of time which will be useful for fulfilling your dreams and goals. Though there are so many investment options available, choosing the best investment option based on your present situation and future goals is very much important. In this video, I am going to tell you the top 10 investment options available to us in our country along with their pros and cons to help you understand and select the suitable investment option for you. Please watch the video completely, and if you like it, click the like button and share the video with your friends and family members as it is useful for everyone. Now let's get started. Bank FDs. Bank fixed deposit is a well-known financial instrument to park your surplus money to have higher rate of return on your deposit as compared to the savings account. The interest rate is determined by many factors and as per the bank policy and guidelines. The tenure of the deposit ranges from 7 days to 10 years. The return offered varies from bank to bank, which is currently around 4 to 7.5%. Investment limit is minimum of 500 rupees. When you see the risk of the investment, it comes under low risk category. PPF. Public Provident Fund is a long-term investment option which offers an attractive rate of interest and returns on the amount invested. It is a scheme which is fully guaranteed by central government and it provides the required safety and confidentiality for the investors. The minimum lock-in period is 15 years and the return offered is currently 7.1%. The investment limit is minimum of 500 and a maximum of 1,50,000 per year. When we see the risk category, there is no risk as it is guaranteed by the Government of India. NPS. National Pension Scheme is a good scheme for everyone who wants to plan for the retirement early on and has a low risk appetite. It is a social security initiative by central government and makes a reliable source of income after retirement. The lock-in period for this investment is till the person gets 60 years of age. The return offered on this varies because of its equity exposure. Generally around 8 to 10% is expected in a long term. The investment limit is of minimum 500 rupees and maximum you can invest any amount. When you see the risk category, it comes under low to moderate risk based on the percentage of equity exposure which we select. Senior Citizens Savings Scheme. It is an investment plan for those who are above age of 60 years. It is a government-sponsored long-term saving option which has been designed keeping in mind the requirement of the retirees. This investment option pays a high and steady rate of interest as prescribed by the government from time to time. The minimum lock-in period for this investment is 5 years and the return offered is currently 7.4%. It has a minimum investment limit of 1000 rupees to maximum of 15 lakh rupees. When we see the risk category, it has no risk. Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana account. This scheme is initiated by Indian government for your daughters. If you want to safeguard your daughter's future, that is for her marriage or future studies, then this is the best investment option for you. The lock-in period is till 21 years from the account opening date or till that girl gets married after she turns 18. The return offered is currently 7.6% and the investment limit is minimum of 250 and a maximum of 1,50,000 per year. When we see the risk profile, there is no risk. Unit-linked insurance plans. A unit-linked insurance plan is an option that offers investments in bonds and equities along with protection via insurance. Just like any other investment option, it involves some amount of risk. But known for its tax benefits, ULIPs are among the top investment options in India. The minimum lock-in period for this is 5 years and the return offered is varied because of the equity exposure. The investment limit is based on the selected plan, and when we see the risk profile, it comes under moderate risk. Gold. Gold is considered as one of the traditional and evergreen profitable investment options for ages. Over the years, investment in gold has given consistent returns of around 10%, beating the inflation and also by providing diversification. A better way to invest in gold is through gold mutual fund, gold ETF or gold bonds. It has no minimum lock-in period and the return varies based on the market demand. There is no limit for investment, and when we see the risk, it comes under low to moderate risk. Real estate. In India, investing in real estate is considered one of the safest bets by investors. It provides rental income and also capital appreciation. The risk involved is very low, while the chances of property prices increasing is very high. There is no lock-in period for this, and the return finally which we get is dependent on the location. There is no investment limit, and it comes under risk category of moderate risk. Mutual funds. It's certainly true that mutual fund investments are always subjected to market risks, but it is also true that they are considered as one of the best investment options for growing wealth and diversifying your portfolio. Mutual funds are the safest and most convenient way of investing in markets when you don't have enough time and expertise. There is no lock-in period for this, and there is a lock-in period of 3 years only for equity-linked savings schemes. The return offered varies because of the equity exposure, and generally you can expect 12 to 15% over a long term. The investment limit is minimum of 500 rupees and maximum you can invest any amount. When we see the risk profile, it comes under moderate to high risk. Direct equity. Investing in stocks might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's a volatile asset class and there is no guarantee of returns. But this option is considered as best investment option for long period of time, as it has been able to deliver higher than inflation adjusted returns compared to all other asset classes. There is no minimum lock-in period and the return offered varies based on the market. There is no limit for investment, and when we see the risk profile, it comes under high risk category. So, these are the top 10 investment options in which you can put your money for wealth creation and fulfill your financial goals. I'll be making separate videos on each individual investment option for giving you a clear picture and for better understanding. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.